Hi guys. Today we're gonna be petting my pet bird. Okay. He's right near the food container. I'll get him in a sec. Wanna come out? Okay. I got him. His name is Velvet, and yeah. He's really budgie. And now we're gonna head on to the next word. Oh, geez. Okay, I cannot bring the device with you because it's charging right now. So I'm gonna bring him over here. Wait just a sec. Okay, here he is. This is a cockatiel. His name is Compy. Plus the other one's name, the budgie is Velvet. That was Velvet. This is, I think, okay, bye. Bye.